Okay, ito ang ating 8-inch axial pump with 8 HP water-cooled engine. China made. Yan, so tinitesting natin yan. Nandiyan na yun sa farm almost 2 months. So isang upuan lang ng pump. Yan ang ating assembled na 8-inch axial pump. Sobrang lakas. Mas maganda tong water cooled kasi malaki ang pulley, hindi nag-slide yung belt.